Yo, 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 yo. Hey, this is part 2 of JR Boricuas installing a portable washing machine in your small apartment. Like, you know, if you have a condo or you have a high-rise apartment that has terrible laundry service, or in the room is, the apartment is very small like ours. So this is the part 2 of the video that we did. If you want to check out that video, go back and check it out. That's part 1 and this is part 2. So here we go, folks. This is the washing machine. Okay, we got it out here because, I mean, it can't fit in the bathroom, but it's a little too tight to maneuver everything in there. Because you see, it's not that much room in there. But we got it out here. From out here, you know, it does what it has to do. Now, you're wondering, like I said in the last video, how we gonna get the water and how they're gonna throw out the dirty water. So this is the solution. We got 2 hoses right here. One is hot and cold. As you can see right here, it's called a fork connection. It's like a Y. See? So that fork goes into here, and then from there you take this hose. You have to buy this type connector, which they sell it in Home Depot or any washing machine place. You have to buy this connection, okay? And that has this little lever that pulls down like that and connects into this piece. This piece here, they sell it outside too. This screws into here. What you gotta do is, you gotta unscrew this piece. You unscrew this from here. You take it out, unscrew it. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Then you screw this piece on as tight as you can because you don't want it to leak out. This hot water and this the cold water, both will run through the line. I'll explain to you in a minute. Now, with this piece, what you want to do is you want to pull this down because it has these bearings in there. The bearings are going to hook up on here so it doesn't come off with the pressure. See? Now it's secure. It won't come off. If you have those sinks that are old and they probably leak a little because the washer's no good, you can always put a washer up in here too. They sell the washers that go in there. The same one that goes in here. But if you have a problem where it still leaks, even though you tighten as much as you can, what you do is, the solution to that is, what I used to do is take a rag like this one. You had an old towel and you put it over the sink like that. I mean, over the nozzle, see, like that. Okay? Then what you want to do is you're going to open your hot and your cold water, and then that in turn will go through here, through this hose. And then when it goes into that hose, one goes in here, one it goes in there, and it'll know how to, it'll know how to throw the hot and cold in there. Both waters will be in there. Okay? Now, you're wondering how we're gonna, when it starts to throw out the dirty water, where's it gonna go? Well, they sell these holes, that little hose right here. Ouch! And that came with it. My back hurts. Sorry about that. You can put it here because it's not gonna be that much pressure, right? If you're worried about too much pressure, it might be filling the toilet bowl to the top, which is not gonna happen. It doesn't happen here. You could shut the line off right there. You get your line, you shut it off, the water. Then you flush your toilet. Once you flush the toilet will be empty. And then all your water will go down there without no problems. Then what you want to do is you want to pinch it with this. Because you have to put that there so, you know, in case there's a little pressure on it, that it won't come out and wet your floor. But you always got to keep watching and checking it out. Okay, so we're going to put it back. So we bought these casters, what they call dollies, especially made for the washing machine, so they roll very easy. Because those have wheels, but they're real small and they'll scratch the floor up. These are like rubber wheels, the ones that I have on the bottom now. Okay, so with that being said, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, in this part, on this section rather, we're going to show you how the water comes out and it doesn't, in my case, it doesn't overflow. Ready? All right, a beautiful assistant over here. Just closing there. Here goes the water coming out. Like I told you, you gotta hold it with the ball.
And it cleans the toilet at the same time.
Yeah, and you get the toilet clean at the same time. Because that's soapy water. So you get a twofer. Twofer and nickel. Can't go wrong. You scrub my toilet all night long. Boop. Hey! Alright, so we did that. It's just throwing out all that water that's in there. With that, I'm hoping that I hope that you like this video and it's informative and educational for you. Any questions, as always, put them down in the description. Anything, any other videos you want to see, any questions you have pertaining to this video. Yeah, please give me a like, please, and share my videos, because I need views like heck, man. I don't get that many views. The next video coming up is about how to make your AirPods, can't even say the damn name, AirPods from Apple, how to make them, how to personalize them so that you could tell that they're yours, or you know, to have a little individualize your stuff, you know what I mean? So you can know that's your stuff. All right, with that, stay tuned. That'll be my next video. I love you guys. Take care. Yo, 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 yo. Peace.